So there's another pico up here, and in the newborn child there's an opening in the skull. There are three bones here that come together and they eventually close this opening. To Kanaka that's called manava, but it's also sometimes called pico po'o. Now po'o is the head, but more commonly it's known as manava. And in ancient times the child was fed through this pico. So the mother of Tutu would put some poi up there, some sweet potato, to take care of each person's vailua. That's a person's personal spirit, vailua. And that vailua sometimes leaves the body, can go off and do things in dreams, for example. But that vailua also connects with each person's ancestors from the beginning of time. But that connection is there only if the individual talks to the ancestors and listens to his ancestors and is guided by his ancestors. If he doesn't do that, there's no connection.